So are you heading to Sheraton Broadway Plantation? Or maybe you're considering it for your next stay in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina? And maybe you also want to see what a 2-bedroom villa looks like? Well, I'm going to take you on a tour of ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. And before we head into our villa here, Villa 2614 here at Sheraton Broadway Plantation in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, I want to let you know on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't happen to own timeshare, but you love staying at these beautiful properties, I also provide villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So be sure, hit that subscribe button down below. Also click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head inside here. We're going to take a look at our 2-bedroom villa here at Sheraton Broadway Plantation, Myrtle Beach. As we make our way into the villa here, the first thing you're going to notice is a coat rack on the wall. We don't usually see these very often in timeshare villas. We've noticed them though in Myrtle Beach and also South Carolina. It's kind of handy there if you need it, if you're traveling maybe in those fall or winter months. First thing I'm going to show you now that we're in the villa is just off the kitchen, you will find the in-room laundry. Stacking washer and dryer is definitely handy to have. Next up, we're going to take a look at the kitchen. You do have quite a bit of counter space here with both the counter where the oven is along with the island as well. And of course, as with most timeshare units, you do have your full set of appliances, microwave, oven, range, dishwasher, and a large refrigerator here as well. It's also complemented by a number of small appliances as well, including a toaster and coffee maker. Checking out the cabinets and drawers, you also do have your full set of dinnerware and glassware, as well as cutlery and a number of cooking utensils here as well. There's also a full set of pots and pans. Next up, we're going to take a quick look at the dining room table. This is a little bit disappointing here. This dining room table is just kind of connected to the island that's in the kitchen. Pretty small dining room table, only 4 chairs. So something that we're not kind of used to seeing in a lot of timeshare units, 2-bedroom units anyway, is a dining room table with only 4 chairs. Most of them have at least 6. But there are 2 stools that kind of push up to the bar there in the kitchen. So if you needed to seat a couple more people, you could utilize that as well. In the living room and dining area here is also a small closet. Not a whole lot going on in here though. Just a vacuum cleaner and some extra bedding for the sleeper sofa in the living room that we'll take a look at here in just a few moments. Now let's move into the living room and check it out. You do have in here 2 nice comfortable chairs, some ottomans / coffee tables there. Those actually are kind of convertible. You can take that top off and flip it and it kind of turns into a coffee table. You do also have a sofa there that pulls out into a sleeper sofa. A couple of end tables as well, and of course, what living room in a timeshare wouldn't be complete with a television stand and a large flat screen TV on top here as well. Now, unlike a lot of other Sheraton timeshares that we've been to, this one did not have a Bose sound system in it, and it also does not have a Blu-ray player. This villa, if you've been noticing though, is renovated. Nice new furniture in here, new carpeting, new drapery, fresh coat of paint, something they're actually doing to, I believe, all of the villas at Sheraton Broadway Plantation. And also behind the television, you're going to find these handy little exposed USB and electrical outlets. Now here accessible from the kitchen and living room area is the guest bedroom. 2 full-size beds with a nightstand. Not too big of a guest bedroom here, but still not too bad. It does have a window that looks out into the hallways, so keep that in mind. You might want to keep those curtains closed when you're in here at night or even during the day, because people will likely be walking by. You do also have a chest of drawers with a television on top there as well. And of course, this bedroom also has a small closet. And now accessible from the main living area as well as the guest bedroom is the guest bathroom. You do have a nice double vanity here. Plenty of bath towels, hand towels, and washcloths here as well. And of course, a bathtub with shower. Now we're going to make our way over to the master bedroom with a king-size bed, couple of nightstands with lamps, plenty of room in here, nice and bright with a big window there as well. You do have a dresser there with a television on top as well, and a small chair there in the corner. Now as we go into the master bath, you're going to notice behind the bathroom door actually is a closet, some additional storage in here, and also where you're going to find the in-room safe, and there is also a luggage rack in there as well. It can sometimes be kind of handy if you're bringing some luggage with you. You can set it up on that to unpack. Now let's take a look at the rest of the bathroom. Now I do believe this was actually an accessible bathroom here. It does have a roll-in shower, and you can also roll over towards that toilet area there as well. So you also do have a split double vanity set up here, a small sink with countertop on each side of the bathroom. And what timeshare unit wouldn't be complete if it didn't just happen to have a large jetted tub? Now we're going to head outside and take a look at the patio. All right, so I've made it out here to the patio of our 2-bedroom villa, and it's actually not too bad. It does have just a small table with 4 chairs, but it unfortunately does not have a ceiling fan, which kind of makes it pretty hot out here. There isn't a lot of circulation. It might be a little bit different if today was a bit breezier day, but yeah, not a lot of circulation. One cool thing, I always like to point this out because some people like to know this, is it does have an electrical outlet out here. So definitely a good thing, but that lack of a fan definitely makes it pretty hot out here. Okay, so there you have it. The 2-bedroom villa here at Sheraton Broadway Plantation, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Are you heading here for your next trip? Let me know all about it down in the comments below. And if you also want to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Sheraton Broadway Plantation, check out this one right up here. And YouTube, they think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.